Prashanti from TGT TW RDC Shadnagar. Today's my seminar topic is lymphoid organs. Let's talk about lymphoid organs. Lymphoid organs are two types. They are primary lymphoid organs, secondary lymphoid organs. Primary lymphoid organs. It is also called as central lymphoid organs, and the immune competency takes place in lymphoid organs. In primary lymphoid organs, the immunocompetency takes place in lymphoid organs. After lymphoid organs, the immunocompetency migrates. They are thymus gland, bone marrow, bursa, because of bird. Thymus gland, it is also called as, it is a primary lymphoid organ. Now thymus gland developed in womb during 6th week of gestation period. In our body, thymus gland is developed in the 6th week of gestation in womb. After the thymus gland located anterior thoracic cavity in front of heart and just beside side of sternum. Anterior thoracic in front of heart, just back side of sternum. Here the PS of thymus. We will discuss about PS of thymus. Then thymus is divided into two lobes. The two lobes again divide many lobes like divided into many lobes. The lobes get separated with the help of trabecular lobe. In thymus, the consist cortex and medulla. Inner cortex, outer cortex, inner medulla. In outer cortex consist immature lymphoid cells. In medulla consist mature lymphoid cells. In cortex, immature lymphoid cells contains, and again reticular cells means strong structure. In thymus they give strong structure, help of cortex, and inner medulla consists in mature lymphoids. And after the thymus release thymosin hormone. The thymosin hormone help of activation of maturation of T cells and it helps for activation of cytotoxic cell, helper cells and memory cells. This is about thymus gland. Thank you.